Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross 2024 fuel tank skid plate mounting. Remove the clips from the original guard. Remove 4 nuts with 10mm socket. Put aside the original cover. Do the same process for the second cover. Remove the original nut with socket 12mm. Fit the bracket and the pipe together and lightly tighten with the original nut. Do the same on the other side. Remove original bolt with 12mm socket as shown. Take right side bracket and connect with hex bolt M8, washer and spring washer. Take left side bracket and connect with hex bolt M8, washer and spring washer. Take spacer nut M8 in rear bracket and connect with hex bolt M8, washer and spring washer. Repeat the process on the other side. Place the left skid plate as shown. Connect with M8 bolt, spring washer, and washer. Connect the left skid plate to left bracket with M8 bolt, 2 washers, and nut nylock. Connect the left skid plate to rear bracket with M8 bolt, 2 washers, and nut nylock. Repeat the process on the right side. Tighten with a 13mm socket. Tighten original nuts with a 12mm socket. Reinstall the original cover and secure it with a 10mm socket. Return the original clips to their place.